Gray & Sons repairs all types of Omega watches. Our team is skilled to handle your Omega repair from start to finish. Our watchmakers use authorized Omega parts and have been trained by Omega to achieve excellent results on the most complicated of movements. We polish and detail the case and bracelets to perfection, repair mechanical movement, and water test each watch as required. It's easy to send us your watch for repair. Simply visit grayandsons.com/repairs to request our easy ship box, and we will have your watch running and on time in 2 weeks or less.